he not! No, he not! No, he not! What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh my mama, his ass got that whole food. What the fuck? What the fuck, bro? Ain't no way. Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no motherfucking way, bro. Roll that bitch back. Oh, all right. And this is how we ended the night game. So we had a nice little time, but the axle popped out. So we're gonna go ahead and take this tow back home, and hopefully in the morning, hopefully the threads and the actual axle didn't strip out. So I'm gonna go ahead and go back to the crib, and then we're gonna try to handle this, but everything's still running all right though, so it ain't like it's messed up or nothing. So all right, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Ooh, man, this is part of the game, y'all. So on me, I want y'all to always know it ain't never over. The story ain't never over. We gonna come back 10 times harder than ever. We was out for what, 10 minutes, bro. And we put our foot down. So you already know when we get back on the city, we finna cause hell. So thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. And let me know what's next, no cap, cause we finna go up. I told y'all this summer we coming out, and it's just the first. This just the first tow ride. We probably finna have 50 of them this summer. Let's turn up, we going crazy, y'all.
Look, ayy, ain't gon' cap that bitch, get on my nerves. Turn on the block, almost hit the curb.